coming from. I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes.
Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. And this is Bay. Good morning. I'm tired.
Bad.
So we have a full day today. The lady on green now, but I'm tired. So today we're go. No, we're gonna do a wedding now, and then we're go one master class. Yeah, the GLAMCON thingy we're going today.
Tonight, yeah.
Well, tonight. So yeah, the day full. So
I will have work after the wedding.
I will have work after the wedding. So we're gonna Caymanas we're going. So we're gonna Caymanas now, and so we're gonna take on we're gonna make container. So yes guys, I will talk to you when we get there. Cause this makes no sense with us. We're driving on.
Baby.
We never say that though. It's too fine here. Welcome back. You know, I say. No. You sure? Nice. So guys, we're still working. Chevelle on the bride. No. Hey, my face shine. Must come like it's an oil factory. Right? Oh my god, because so my skin is terrible. Watch there. She look nice. Hold on, I'm gonna spin on the camera so I can.
It's baking.
Nice and
Baking.
Okay guys, so we finish work. This camera can't lean back. Wait. We're done. We're at the shop now. Hungry. Nah, I'm hungry, so my head hurt me right now.
Bright face and me my belly and talk.
Listen, I come sit down right here, so and my head tear off. So we'll go to our shop, because as you guys know, I'm not in the shop. So we're going to Chevelle shop. And so after we're done them people, I will start with our face till the other side come, right?
Yes.
Go to have a stop and get food. Yeah, call the person. Hungry. Hey, Ungana one nice something. Ungana one nice something, I swear to God.
Not at all.
Oh my. So alright guys, I'll talk to you guys when we get to the shop. Okay guys, so we are getting ready for go GLAMCON, you know. Wanna look at my eye? So yeah, just finished the last client and I forgot for vlogger, you know. Forgot for vlogger, but her face come out nice. I'll show you guys a video, so don't worry. But yeah, we'll get ready. Okay guys, so we'll be there, we're ready for come out. Come share my them see. So yes guys, we're heading out. Lad will come out, you know?
Yes.
Alright, we're late like hell.
As usual.
No, but we're off a change. Alright, come, we can go now. So as usual. It'll start good, so why not?
We made it.
We'll make it there one time.
Online. They're not sensitive at all. So fits me. Before I sit down.
She can't work
You
up her
did
face
have
and
it?
you know her face.
Oh,
Don't even trim it.
So I have those places. Cool. Dang. And I'm gonna take the black radiance.
Can I get my makeup done afterwards?
This color is chocolate dip, and we're just gonna contour her out. So what I like to do with contour, I like to use the top of her ear as a guide. So when it comes to that, you just pretty much start from where the ear is, and then you can go as high as you want it, just so the cheek can go upwards, but you never go underneath that line, okay, y'all? So if y'all know what I'm talking about. So don't when you blend, don't try not to go up under this line right here, okay? All right. So same thing with this side. I use the top of the ear as a guide. Pull that upwards, and it's to bronze the face too, so it's pretty good. I love this cream contour. I love it. So around her forehead, we are gonna take it and down the sides of her nose.
Hey, I swear to God. So we're doing another master class. So I'm showing you guys again.
Learning.
Yeah, learn. Yeah, learn.
When it comes to blending the cream out, I like to pat it more so blend it upwards. So it's like use like a sugar scrub.
Good. Watch there. Oh, fun. Hey, the lash them long, you know? Oh, no, where them lash. Watch there, get a picture. Yes, full. Watch there.
We are tuning, so come no miss.
We're tuning. Watch there.
We are tuning.
A plan and a plan for me, alright. We'll see it. It's a plan.
Black and you see it?
We need some picture now. We're the man pictures now.
Oh, I'm a picture right here, so wait now. Oh, wait. Yes, so only when
Pretty girl Gabriel, excuse us please. We want to take pictures. Guys, that Caribbean stings there.
you're telling like me.
My face beat, you know. Come on here.
Taking this for us, so you want it first?
Thank you.
Sorry.
So I've been vlogging.
Oh, you vlogging? Okay. Thank you so much for coming out. I
Thank you.
appreciate
Nice
it.
to
GLAMCON
meet you.
JA, we
Yes.
here. Nice to meet you too. Look at these eyes. You need to zoom in to these eyes. So cute. But thank you so much, boo.
Thanks,
Thank
boo.
you.
Nice meeting
Nice
you.
meeting you too, babes. Yeah.
So full outfit, guys. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Watch that. Okay, you're stressed out. Alright. I can't see your old body, so I'm not.
Okay. Yes. Ooh. Pretty. Yes, girl. Give me that spin. Ooh. Yeah.
So I'm home, and of course I take off my wig. I'm gonna pack up for tomorrow because I have a full day tomorrow as well. So tomorrow you guys will see part 2 of GLAMCON JA, and tomorrow will be the expo. So today was the master class, so tomorrow will be the expo. So I'll just take you guys with me. So hopefully this vlog is not too long, where I can just do one, video with the 2 days, or maybe I have to split it. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. But I'm gonna clean my face off and pack up and go on my bed. But yeah, get into this eye look. Yo, the look, bam. Oh my god, wipe on my face. So yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow.